Sanibonani, molweni, dumelang. This is Ntobeko Mnguni from Multiple Streams Podcast. Sanibonani, Samgela, wonke abafethu South Africa, whether in Eastern Cape, whether in Cape Town, whether you are in Durban. Shout out Durban. Ntobeko Mnguni, as you know. So bafethu, I'm sitting here with a very beautiful woman, independent woman. She's an entrepreneur. She's a businesswoman, guys. She's a speaker. Kota, I'm gonna let her basically, introduce herself. She does fragrances, guys, perfume. So, mfundo wazi ukuthi igama lakho ubani and usukapi. Just tell our audience ukuthi what do you do, and basically.
Okay. Sanibonani, Gama Umandisa Kasangweni. So I am basically the founder of Iconic Scents, and I created this business like 4 months ago. He was actually very shocked about that. So ngisuka kwaNdengezi, I am born here at Durban. So yeah, basically what I do, I make ama perfumes ngipinde. Right now I'm just launching ama diffuser, which I recently just made. So I focus on ama 5 states of who you are becoming, because I believe ukuthi umuntu transitions every day, or you change every day basically. So having a signature scent, one scent, kumina, it doesn't work, because we are diverse, so we need different states for who you becoming. Because namhlanje ungafuka engathi you want to like relax, so there's gonna be a scent for that state. If you feel like we go get namhlanje, you are going to be like present in every moment. We have a scent for that. So even ama diffuser anezinto kanjalo that celebrates who you are in every moment. So that's what I'm focusing on.
Wow, that's beautiful. Guys, as you know, Multiple Streams Podcast, bafethu, we encourage abantu who are hustlers, who are business people, who are movers and shakers, who are trying to move the needle. So shout out to everyone out there, bafethu, who is hustling, who is pushing their limits. Success is coming, guys. Nkulunkulu usibekele okukhulu, bafethu. So she was just telling me ukuthi you tell me that your business is like 4 months old. Like that's crazy. That's crazy, because when I'm looking at your fragrances, I mean the packaging itself speaks in volume. Yeah, but so for you to start a business, like what motivated you to start this business? And like 4 months, it's not a long time, but the fact that you're still pushing, what drives you? How did you start? Like, what motivated you, and then what drives you at the same time? Sorry to overwhelm you with the questions.
No, this question is perfect, because honestly, I was employed for like 3 years, like being sebenza, employed, and everything was nice. Growing my business, or not business, like myself individually, because ngifundele chemical engineering.
Okay.
So I graduated again this April 21st April 2026. Yes. So on February umsebenzi waphela, my contract ended.
Okay.
So in between that February, that is where the drive was born, because I couldn't go back to ucela data, ucela to move. Like if I want to move around, I need to ask someone ukuthi ngicela ngisize. I couldn't go back to that girl. So ngabona ukuthi I need to do something, and mangibuka ama perfumes I represent mina ngingazazi. That is why I'm saying I transition, because more transitional, like when you change, people are afraid of you changing. And you mostly feel alone. Mosa change abantu bathanda mosa unemoto entsha, usunomuzo omusha, usucelebrator basically. But otherwise mosa phansi, everyone feels embarrassed about that situation. So man create lama state lawa, it's to embrace every state of lento obayiyona. And I was like, okay, because I love perfumes, I love scents, why not create something that brings belonging to everything odlula kuyona. So i-drive yasuka lapho, and then ngase ngibona after umsebenzi usuphelile, that is where I saw ukuthi there's no going back. If I stop now, who's going to feed me? Because Noma is overloaded. Yabo,
Yes,
ngimdala. So ngabona ukuthi no, I need to keep moving. I continued launching it diffuser now. I ngashintsha amabhodlela like ngiwashintshe like a month ago, or if it's not 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngashintsha though. But I am evolving every day, and there's no stopping.
Wow. And what's more motivating is how you have been, like how you've packaged, like the packaging, and even I would like to also taste them. I'm a perfume.
Okay.
Like to smell them, not
Okay.
to taste them.
So smell them, yes.
Smell them. So the packaging, how, so you do everything from scratch, like the packaging and everything.
Yes, so ngi-creator, ngi-director.
What?
I just make everything from scratch. Akekho ngisizayo. So yes, ama-perfumes ngiyazakhela. There is like a video of me mixing things. Ngihlanganisa, ngiphume nento engiphuma nayo. But now for these, I obviously now have ama-recipe engiwafollowishayo. But yeah, everything I started from scratch, from basically solutioning enalutho to making a scent. So yes, there was another question.
Yes, no, I just want to find out, like,
Where's?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And you also explain, like, what flavor it is. Yabo.
Okay, no problem. So sizokala right now with let's start with,
So these are diffusers.
these are diffusers.
Okay.
Do you want to first smell them? Or?
No. Let's start with those ones.
Okay.
Yeah, refer to diffusers available. Refer to imizini nugamnan. Refer to
Especially in this winter.
Exactly.
Abantu bahlele emakhaya ngithi make sure your house smells nice. Okay, so this one is for resetting. Basically, mozayona, you need to feel some sort of taking you back to the breeze.
Okay.
Does it do something?
Yes. No. In a sea breeze.
Yes.
Yeah,
it
ne?
has citrus. Yes.
Okay. So this is when you just want to mhlambe mekshisa and you just want to nje ushayela iskin sakho, ushayela ivest lakho.
It's for the summer days.
For the summer days.
Yes,
Oh,
it's for
okay,
the summer
okay.
days. It was inspired by Aqua de Joe.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
And my perfumes are they are extract level, so that means I do 30% concentration because I very much like ukuthi scent ihlale the longest it can go. So I also focus on that.
Okay, that's incredible. And then, so what flavor is that one again?
This one is Iconic Fresh.
Okay,
So,
Iconic Fresh.
Yes. And
All
then
right.
we have Iconic Signature, which is like your everyday scent.
Okay. So explain this one. Wow, this smells nice. What? So you have for men and for women as well, ne?
These are mostly ngingathi are unisex,
Okay.
but it's more like you can say are unisex, but people have their own. I like ukuthi kube color lakho that experiences the moment, and
yes.
because if you are told don't go there, obviously you feel like don't go there. But if color lakho or your emotions agree, then you experience the moments links are muy present.
Wow.
Yes.
No, guys. I know I'm not my perfume. I'm not gonna lie, refer to. But if you want to, who is well aware now, you where can people get hold of you? Like your social media. Where can people get a hold of you?
Okay, so your social media is on TikTok because Instagram is a bit hard, guys. Abantu stiff for Instagram.
Yeah. Out of velo TikTok, really, it's where
Yeah.
traffic. Yeah.
So go Instagram, go TikTok, go Iconic Scents. So you can just say Iconic Scents co, and then you're gonna find me there. Go Instagram, you can just say Iconic Fragrance, and then you will see into ekanje on the profile, and you will know definitely that it's me.
Iconic perfumes, guys.
Yeah.
So please support Sweet Buffet too. She's doing amazing. She does the packaging herself. She does the mixing of the chemicals inside, and she's very driven. Yeah, but so shout out to all the women out there that are driven, that are making sure that they're doing what needs to be done. So shout out. So what your last words basically? What would you say to people out there who have the same drive as you and would want to start a business as well?
Well, yokuqala is procrastinator, guys. We need to learn to leave that like sibekele eceleni. Procrastinating really kills amaphupho, really kills your drive, and makes every enemy onayo very happy. So we really need to stop doing that and start believing in ourselves. Mina njengoba ngishilo ngiqale 4 months ago, I didn't have anything, no one believed in me, but here I am, I'm standing and in your elevator every step I go. So just make sure ukuthi you stop procrastinating. If unephupho, work on it every day. There's no perfect situation, no perfect moment. You just really need to start njengamanje.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Nanezwa mfethu ukuthi you need to start now, not tomorrow. Procrastination is the most dangerous enemy you can have. So make sure ukuthi ufuna uqala mfethu uqale manje, right now. Don't even think about it. Yabo.
Facebook noma ke TikTok uzongena ngaso nje sithi lasho qabunga. Ungafaka ilogo yakho kodwa kube khona nje usho usilashi qabunga.
Now, Fetsu, your perfume are very beautiful. I like them. They smell divine. So I wish you many blessings. I wish you many finances, abundance. God is going to shower you with blessings, more business, more clientele, more projects. So sikufisela nje for Multiple Streams podcast, sikufisela nje impumelelo siswami uqhubeke. And place some order, place some order. Just go to Iconic Perfumes lapho ku TikTok. Place your orders, guys. Place the orders. I can tell you today ukuthi I know I'm not a perfume sisi. Trust me. Nami ngizothenga nje number futhi place order. Ngifuna qabonga nabafu. Kanhle. Qabonga elifoni. Okay, so we already have 2 customers.
So e-perfume basically 250 leyo 50 ml 100 30 mils 150, and e-diffuser 200 mils. But njengamanje we have like a launch sale, so there's basically 2 for 390 or 380. Yeah, but there's a launch sale going on njengamanje, so it's going to be very nice if ungakhona ukuthi usithole sisakhona.
So lena you malinike nje
we launch sale.
Yes.
You 130 if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 130 iyodwa.
Okay.
And then this one is 200 iyodwa.
Okay.
And then there's also like ama combo, mezohamba nga 2, mezohamba nga 3, kanjalo. But
Okay.
yeah, it's just right here. So this is for a perfume, a mini diffuser. So any 2 for 360, any 3 for 500. Mozokhetha noma iphi diffuser. And then here we have any 2 for 400, any 2 for 549. That is 50 mil. And any 2 for 249 rands, 30 mil, and any 3 for 349. 30 mil.
Okay, that's beautiful. So do you also do reselling? So if mhlawumbe umuntu ufuna ukuthenga kuwena in bulk and then resell it, do you also allow that as well?
Yes. You can just okay.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes, I also do that. Akhona ama bulky, mozothenga nga 6, mozothenga nga 12. I just
Like a discount.
yes, akhona ama bulk kanjalo. But yeah, it's something I can't cover now because angwaphethe obviously like the prices.
Okay.
But yes, obviously if uzong DM on TikTok or ku WhatsApp on 067 741 1918, you going to get ama bulk sales.
Okay, so guys, sibonga kakhulu usisi hijacker. We just hijacked her kahle kahle event lana, and she's also part of the events. We decided that to hijack her and and uncover more about her business and her aspirations. So bafethu nani lapha emakhaya nje wenihleli lapho thinking uthi uNkulunkulu uniflathelile. No, uNkulunkulu aniflathelanga bafethu. uNkulunkulu akaflatheli umuntu. So go out there, network with people, evolve, stop boxing yourself in, and go out there bafethu. Yabo, so sibonga kakhulu sisi wami njengoba ngishilo ukuthi for Multiple Streams Podcast we wish you impumelelo.
Thank you so much guys for having me and also listening to this. Thank you so much guys.
Okay, yo bafethu signing out.